So, what's up guys, it's me Umair. So here is my Galaxy Note 10, which I literally love using it. This is amazingly beautiful phone, and I'm sorry, and I bought a case for it. This is a rubber case which I bought it. The good thing it comes with a stand also. I heard a lot of good thing about this case. This is thin case. Let's see how beautifully it fit. Okay, it feels quite nice. I mean, this look quite beautiful to be honest with you. Let me see the stand. You can use this stand like this, or you can use this stand like this. Okay, this is a quite good case. Can I recommend? Definitely yes. This is one of my favorite cheapest case out there, which also come with a stand, which is rubber, which is quite grippy. I love it at the end of the day, this case. Yeah, this is a must buy.